Oh.
Hi my lovelies, how are we doing? Come with me on another sleigh as I'll be getting Tony ready for our traditional wedding. This one is very beautiful, by the way. Using the best products on the market from Beauty by Ade Funke. I already use my skin protector. I'm going to spread the glue evenly, and you would see that even though this glue was on the cap, it would clear like it goes clear easily. Can you see it? I dried it and everything was really clear. Putting my front two down, and it's about to be a sleigh. So we're going to do the Lagos airline. So I customized my window speak fast, my temple area, my sideburns, cut up the excess ear, kept on plucking. So if you're coming to my London masterclass this September, you're in for a treat because this particular look will be showcased in class. So if you haven't paid, go and pay now. I'm using the clear mousse and a light one mousse because I don't want it to be too pigmented, just a little bit of tint, and it's about to be a wrap. Shout out to our makeup artist Esther. She did an amazing job on Tony. Can you see this look? And can you see the scarf I am serving? Can I hear you all say, well, let's honest, because I had to like zoom into the work, the hair wrap, everything was so beautiful, so effortless. Tony was looking like a dream, and the dress was very pretty as well. Our stylist did an amazing job putting all of this together: the hair, the makeup, the dress, the shoes, the jewelry. Shout out to Style by Rivero. Tony looked so breathtaking. Like, guys, I literally took too many videos and angles of this work of mine because it was given. And then the reveal. First, I have to warn you guys, you're about to see excess love being displayed. Yep, I want you guys. T, Taya, and Tony, TNT. Do you guys see that? They are in love. Like, the way they look at each other, the way they dote on each other is amazing. We had to get Tony to do a single shot, and can you see how this girl looks like a map babe? Like, she looks too good. Face cat like never can ever decline. She looks perfect. Anyways, bye guys.